Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact Instagram customer service. So let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram app. And then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. And in Settings and Privacy, scroll down to the bottom. And then in the More Info and Support menu, tap on Help. And from the Help menu, select Report a Problem. And again, tap on Report Problem. From here, tap on Include and Continue. Choose the relevant category that best describes your issue. Follow the prompt and provide any necessary details about the problem you are experiencing. Tap on Send to submit your report to Instagram customer service. Instagram will review your report and get back to you if they need more information or if they have a solution for your issue. If you find this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We are eager to hear from you.